Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. I hope you enjoyed watching my video from last week going around Home Sense, and I just absolutely love all these really cute spooky doll houses that I saw while I was there. I am definitely making one of those this year, so that is definitely a project that is up and coming and I'm getting really excited about it. So we're having a heat wave again. It's super hot. I just wanted to share with you this really cute little knitted top that somebody's put on one of our local post boxes. It's a couple enjoying the heat wave at the beach. I thought that was quite sweet. So here I am again today with another dollhouse video. So at the moment I'm working on my renovations. It's quite hot, as I said. I've actually been working in my real life office this week, so I've been painting and I've been busy doing that. So I haven't managed to complete a room in the dollhouse, although I have started to work on the office in there as well. But I have been doing little jobs around the place, so I thought I'd start with the outside. When I first bought the dollhouse for £15 off eBay, it didn't have a front door, and the main window in the middle didn't have any panelling on it at all. There was the brown roof, which I painted grey, and then I gave the whole house a coat of paint as well because it was a little bit scuffed. Obviously it had been well loved and played with. There were a few lumps and bumps on it, and some pieces missing and things like that. So I have been striving to fix it up and make it look nice. Obviously I've got my lovely front door and my wreath on the front door, and then I did fill in the window pane, so that looks better. But there was a couple of things missing on the front. There's a sort of piece of panelling missing just there. I don't know why. It looks like there used to be something there and it's perhaps been broken off, I don't know. And then also one of the downstairs windowsills was missing as well. So I thought, well, I will give it a go and see if I can fix that. So I got some wooden dowel, cut it to fit, painted it white, and then reattached it onto the front of the house to just try and fix those little problem areas. So here we are, the renovated front. So as you can see, I have put the piece of dowel on there, so that's looking nice now. So it's just like it was missing, and it's now complete. And then I have added the windowsill on as well, so I'm feeling a bit happier that the front is looking a bit smarter. You can also see that I have took down all the old-fashioned curtains, and over here you can see the lovely blind that I made for the bathroom. And obviously the other windows are empty at the moment, but that is the next project that I will be working on, Operation Curtain or window coverings. So here's a closer look at the blind. I've bought this sort of lacy net that I thought I might use for the curtains. I might make some like drop cloth, some very simple, clean curtains that sort of just drop by the side of the windows. So that's an idea. I might make some more blinds as well. So that's what's going to happen there, hopefully. So into the office now for a bit of renovation, a bit of demolition first. So it was the kitchen. So I've got to pull off the wallpaper, rip out the floors, take off the lampshade, get it all back down to the bare bones so I can start again. I've got this flooring. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as flooring in the office. It's tiles. It could even be wall covering. I'm going to use it. I don't know where, but I'm thinking maybe floor. Let me know what you think. So here is some of the furniture that I already have. So this is just a nice little plant pot, which I thought was cute. So that could go in there, possibly the kitchen. That chair, I've had that in the living room and the bedroom. I've got my craft trolley. I've got my message board, and I've still got the desk, my computer, my pencils, my chair, and the bookcase. I don't know whether I'm going to make new furniture. Seems, it's a new look office, or whether I might keep some of those. I do quite like the bookcase, so I might keep that. And then I've took the lampshade off that, and I'm obviously going to have to put a new lampshade on that, or I might keep it plain white. So there's lots of ideas. I've got to get thinking. If anybody's got anything you'd like to share with me, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I shall have to get my thinking cap on and then get on with the office as my next makeover. So when I did my bathroom renovation recently, I had a silver container there that I put my toilet rolls in. Somebody did say on the comments that it looked a little bit like a bin, and I do sort of agree. Although I picked it because I thought the silver sort of tied in with some of the silver elements that I had. However, I have had a little think, and I've come up with a new idea. So here I have now, it's actually a sellotape holder, which I've wrapped around with the buffalo check jute, stuffed a bit of tissue paper in the bottom, and then put the toilet rolls on top. And so now actually it's a toilet roll basket, which I think fits in really nice. It goes with the light shade and the rug, and I'm really happy with that. So, let me know, do you agree? I think that works a treat. Also in the bathroom, I've done a little bit of renovation on my vanity unit here. I've put a strip of silver sticky to make it look like cupboards, and then I've got 2 paper clips and put those on as door handles. So now that's a more useful unit because it's got cupboards that open. Obviously not really, but it looks like it has now got cupboards that open. So the final bit of renovation I'm going to share with you today is in the living room. I've just tidied up my drinks trolley a little bit. I've put those bottles that I was going to put on a shelf on the drinks trolley, and I've taken the snacks away. I've kept the tray with the glasses on and the ice buckets, but I think that's just tidied that up a little bit. So it's more of a day-to-day drinks trolley rather than a party trolley. Then I have put a mirror up on that back wall, which I'm really pleased with. I actually bought a picture frame, and this was the insert on the inside of the picture frame. I think it looks really classy, and it looks just like a mirror. So really happy with that. And the mirror, I actually had that in the bathroom before. So I've also done a bit of renovation on the fireplace area, you might have noticed. Somebody did say in the comments that my fire could do with like some sort of logs around it, because it was just a little plastic light that you just turn on and off, and I kind of had it so you could just pull it out and put it back in. So I thought, well, let's try and be a bit more creative. So with this large paperclip box, I have turned it into a log burner. So I was quite pleased with that little renovation. So here it is. I've covered it with black shiny tape, and on the legs it's some quillings, some paper that I roll up into coils. I think they look quite cute as the feet. And then I've used a bit of plastic there with the tape to look like the window, the door, but obviously it needs to lift up so I can get the light in and out. So I've covered that with black tape as well, and then put some sequins on to make it look like a log burner. And then we've got the light. I think that looks quite cute. Let's see if I can put it back in one-handed, because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. There we go. And then that can go on the new fireplace. So as I said before, I bought a picture frame. I think it was about 50p, and I used the insert for the mirror, and then this is the frame. So I cut the bottom off with a hacksaw, painted it dove grey with some chalk paint, and then I printed off some marble effect paper, and then just folded it round. I don't know whether a piece of cardboard, I think that was, for the base, and then the same for the back panel. And I think that looks really nice. As I say, I just wanted to change the fireplace, so I think I've managed that. I'm still putting my lantern on, I've got my log burner, and I'm still going to keep my little basket of logs there to go into the log burner. I've kept my candles and my pampas grass, and I've also kept the television above. So I think that's a lovely little, change and makeover. As I say, I'm always constantly changing, because it's a dollhouse and you can't you? So it's so simple. I like to keep it nice and reasonable and cheap, and I think I've achieved that. So I hope you enjoyed that little look around the dollhouse today, seeing how it's going. And I hope you join me again for another video next week. So till then, bye bye, take care.